Hey everyone, Ryan with Lane's Rubs and Sauces. Welcome back. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Today we are going to talk apple pie, brined grilled pork chops. So get ready. So we have got two Cheshire bone-in chops. We've actually got them in our brine. What we did is we took our sweet tea brine, about a half a cup of the brine mixed with about a gallon of water, mix it all together, put the chops in the bag, and then we've been soaking these for about 6 hours in the fridge. So a lot of times people will say, do you need to rinse them off? Do you need to pat them dry? Ours don't have anything bad in them as far as the brines are not overly salty. So usually what I'll do is I'll just take it out, kind of pat it dry, and then we're gonna actually season it today with our apple pie seasoning. So I kind of like a little bit of that sweet and savory. So you get some of the salt from the brine, a lot of the sweetness from the apple pie rub. So here we go. All right, we're gonna grill these real quick. So we've got our KJ is fired up. It's probably about 500 degrees. We've got the grill grates on there. They're oiled down. They're really, really hot. What we're gonna do is we're gonna sear these first and then finish them indirect so we get them up to temp. And these chops, these beautiful. We're gonna go 45 seconds, then we're gonna rotate it for another 45 seconds, and we're gonna flip it. So as this is continuing to cook, we just put a little bit of Kerrygold unsalted butter on there just to help keep it glazed, and it really hits well with that apple sugar. All right, it's magic time. We grilled the chops. We actually pulled these about 145 degrees. That way you get the carryover cook. So it's gonna be finished around 150-ish. Even if you went a little bit longer, it's okay. You brined it. So it's got that extra moisture in there. We have let these rest for about 10 minutes. As you can see, all the juices pulling up. Another key thing with the brine. So it's time to slice and enjoy. What we're gonna do is we got our knife. We've got the bone in here, so we're just gonna kind of cut it, follow along the bone. Oh man, all that juice. All right, my favorite time of the day. So, real quick recap, we brined these chops, we grilled them, we actually seared them first, then finished cooking on the side, let them rest, a little bit of butter on them, sliced it up, time to enjoy. Hey guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, check the links down below, and we'll just keep experimenting. Time to slice it. Nah, who we kidding? Cheers.